What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're creating a cartoon illustration of Pele. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw two circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. I want to start from the very top and just work our way down towards the bottom and then back up towards the top. Now I'm going to leave a large gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So we're going to start by lining up the top and we want to bring that down towards the same height and then back up. Let's add a small highlight circle on the top left side of each eye. So just going to bring this in and then back out. And then we'll fill the inside of the pupils in black, going around that highlight. Now I want to give our character a pointed nose. So we're going to start at the very top. I'm just going to bend this out towards the right, and then down. Bend this out and then up towards the left. And then just below the nose, we're going to add a curve, starting on the left, going down and up for the mouth. And we'll add a bracket on the ends. Let's go back over towards the left side and draw the bottom of the mouth. We're going to come down and then up. Let's add two lines on either side to separate the teeth, and then we'll fill in the outsides. Let's add a small fold along the inside of the eyes, down and out. And then just up above the eyes, we're going to add the eyebrows. Let's start with a straight line going across and in. Line this up over on the right. And I just want to round up the ends of the eyebrows. And we'll flatten off the top. Let's fill the inside of the eyebrows in black. Now with the face complete, let's move out and draw the lower half of the head. We're going to start from the outside, come down, come around the mouth, and bend that back up on the right. Just underneath the mouth, we're going to add a fold for the lip, down and then up. Let's work our way along the inside of the hairline, starting back on the left, bend this in and then up towards the top. Do the same thing on the right, going up towards the same height. And we'll close off the top with a curve, going up and then down. Let's go back to the side of the head and draw on the ears. We're going to start from this point, go up, round up the ear, and then bend that back in towards the side of the head. And then we'll add a fold along the top of the ears, going up and then out. Go back to the inside and add a hook. Now from here we're going to draw the outside of the hair. We're going to start from the top of the ears. We're going to pull the hair coming in. So starting on the left, just going to add these curves coming around and just continue up towards the top to right about there. So adding 3 curves on either side. Let's continue to add those curves along the top of the head. And start to pull this in. Going around and then down towards the right. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the collar. We'll start with a V, starting on the left, come down, and then up. From the side of the V, draw 2 straight lines going out across the bottom of the collar, and then angle this up and in. Now we're going to move down and draw on the side of the body. Underneath the left collar, bend this out and then down towards the hip, go to the right, and do the same thing. Connect the hips with a curve, coming down and up. From the center, step down and add a curve, going up and then down. Leave a gap in the middle, go to the left side. We're going to bend the left leg going out and down toward the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Let's round out the bottom of the feet, starting from the left heel. We're going to bend the foot, coming down and then up. Now I want to round up the top of the foot. Starting on the left, we're going to go up, bend this down, aiming towards the heel, and we'll curl that back up towards the inside of the leg. Now going back up to the hips, we're going to draw the outside of the leg. Let's start on the left. We want to bend this out and then down on top of the feet. Now along the top of the leg, we're going to add a curve for the bottom edge of the shorts. Step down, draw that again for the top of the socks. Let's add a stripe along the side of the shorts. Now I'm going to add some stripes across the sock. Let's take this curve, step down, draw that once, twice, and then a third time. Now we're going to trace the bottom of the sole. We're going to step up, coming in towards the heel. And then we'll add a toe cap, starting from the top of the foot, and it's in and then down. Let's add a simple crest on the right chest. Start with a curve across the top. From the ends, bend this down, and then in towards the center. Let's add an X along the inside. Now from here, we're going to move out to the side and draw on the arms. We'll start halfway between the chin and the hip. So right here, curve the arm coming out and then down towards the wrist. And we'll line that up on the right. From the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb. Close off the end with a bracket. Now I want to add 3 fingers on either side. Let's start from the bottom of the thumb and come down and up around that bracket. Come down towards the side, go out and then up. And then the third finger, we're going to go all the way around, blend into the arm, going up and then in underneath the head. Let's do the same thing on the right. Start with the first finger, and then going all the way around, and then bend that in. Now along the top of the arm, let's add in the sleeve. Let's start on the left, bend this up and then out. And then we'll add that trim along the top, so we're going to step up, just follow that in towards the body. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Pele. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also check out our other channels. I'll leave the links for you in the description below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.